We're going to share 3 of the top things to see and do while you're in New Hampshire. And a fact about the number 1 thing may blow your mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. New Hampshire is a very diverse geographical state. From Manchester, the largest city in the state, in an hour you can be on the Atlantic Ocean sitting on the beach. If you go north, you can be skiing, water or snow in an hour or less. And if you want to go catch a game at Fenway Park, you can be sitting on the Green Monster in less than an hour. Traffic permitting, of course. Today we're going to share 3 of the best things to see and do while you're in New Hampshire. Number 3 on the list, Strawberry Bank in Portsmouth. Probably my favorite go-to is Portsmouth in the summertime. I love walking around the downtown area, the shops, the restaurants. It's a really, really neat place to hang out. And Strawberry Bank is just a really cool place. It was settled in 1623. There's 400 years of history there. So they have homes that were restored from different eras, so you can see how people lived back at certain times. Great place to take the kids, great walk back into history. And also, got to check out Moxie. You're welcome, Matt. One of my favorite restaurants, fantastic place. Lots of great places to eat in Portsmouth. Number 2, the Flume Gorge and Franconia Notch. The Flume Gorge is an 800-foot crack at the base of Mount Liberty. The walls go up 70 to 80 feet, and there's a stream that meanders down through the middle, and you've got a boardwalk that you can walk just over the stream looking up at the walls. The kids will love it. Absolutely breathtakingly beautiful place. 10,000 years ago, it was a 5,000-foot sheet of ice that cut Franconia Notch. And when that melted, created some beautiful things, including the Flume. Right across the way, Cannon Mountain. First aerial tramway in North America. Takes you to the top of Cannon Mountain, elevation 4,080 feet. In the fall, some of the most breathtaking colors, fantastic. And in the winter, one of my favorite places to ski. Absolutely got to check that one out. And number 1 on our list, Mount Washington and the Cog Railway. It's a 3-hour trip up to the top of 6,288-foot Mount Washington. It's the first in the world mountain climbing cog railway. It goes right up the side of the mountain. On a clear day, you can see Canada and all the way out to the Atlantic Ocean. The summit is a home of some of the harshest weather in the world. And here's the fact I was telling you about at the beginning of the video. The highest recorded wind speed by man was on top of Mount Washington in 1934 at 231 miles per hour. The winds come down from Canada unimpeded. They've got to climb that mountain. You get some crazy, crazy weather. But 231 miles an hour, highest wind speed ever recorded by man. That's a pretty cool fact. Get a chance to get up there, check it out in the summertime. It's a beautiful ride up the Cog Railway, or you can drive the Mount Washington Road, or in the wintertime, actually in the spring, go skiing at Tuckerman's Ravine. You just got to be really careful. Avalanches can be an issue, but very, very cool, iconic place to ski. Hey, so there you go. Number 3, Strawberry Bank in Portsmouth. Number 2, the Flume Gorge and Franconia Notch. And number 1, Mount Washington and the Cog Railway, and 231 mile an hour wind speed record. Incredible. If you like what you saw in the video today, please like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any future videos. And if you really want to see some more content, click up here. More videos, more content. My name is Tony Wallis with Keller Williams Realty here in Bedford, New Hampshire. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. If we could ever answer any questions for you, please reach out. All my contact information is in the banner. Thanks again for watching.